In this video, we will show the best action camera in India 2020. At number 1, GoPro Hero 8 Black overall best pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, DJI OSMO Action runner-up pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, 4K value for money action camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, SJCam SJ6 Legend best budget vlogging camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Smart Dash best vehicle dash camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.